depends if she identifies, you see, as the Nigerianness in her, you know. We've reached out to her once or twice without any response. So we don't force people to accept to being Nigerian. So if you appreciate the Nigerianness in you and you want to work with us, we're open to everybody, but we cannot force you to appreciate the Nigerian.
The chairman CEO of the Nigerians in Diaspora Commission, NIDCOM, Abike Dabiri Erewa, says Nigeria will not force the newly elected leader of UK's Conservative Party, Kemi Badenoch, to identify with her Nigerian roots. Dabiri Erewa, whose office oversees activities of Nigerians in diaspora, disclosed that her office has reached out to Badenoch a few times and got no response. Speaking on Channels Television's The Morning Brief, Dabiri Erewa emphasized that Nigeria would not compel Badenoch to embrace her Nigerian roots if she chooses otherwise. It depends on if she identifies the Nigerianness in her. We've reached out to her once or twice without any response, so we don't force people to accept to be Nigerian. Dabiri said when asked on the program if the government has identified with Badenoch. The Conservative on Saturday elected Badenoch as its new leader. Badenoch, 44, becomes the first black leader of a UK-wide political party. She was born in London in 1980, but spent her childhood living in Lagos, Nigeria, and in the United States, where her mother lectured. She returned to UK at the age of 16 to live with a friend of her mother's due to a deteriorating political and economic situation in Nigeria which affected her family. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.